Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix no mapping between account names and security IDs was done error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand WinLogon. Click and expand GP extensions. Click and expand ending with the key F83A. Open extension debug level. Change value data to 2, click OK and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.